Hello world and welcome to another machine learning tutorial. Today we will cover k-means clustering. My name is Harris and let's get started. For more content, please hit the subscribe button or leave a like or comment there. I would be really happy about it. So in machine learning we basically have three types. We have supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning you can apply on, for example, stock prices, therefore you use a regressor. Last time we used iris dataset, therefore you can use a classifier. And unsupervised learning you can use clustering, which we are going to use as well today with the k-means cluster. This is going to be used for unlabeled data where you don't know what kind of input data you have. So is it a dog or a cat or something like this? You actually don't know what kind of data set you have here. Reinforcement learning is going to use for bots in games, for example. The bot is going to be rewarded each time if he has a good prediction or good result. Therefore, the prediction is going to be really good in deep learning. Today we are going to use the iris dataset and therefore we apply the cluster. We have on the x-axis the petal length and y-axis the petal width. We have three types of flowers, let's say, depending on these two features. And we are going to use the k-means clustering with k equals 3, so it means 3 groups. And there you can see the centroids which represent kind of the center of these groups. So the pros are, it's relatively simple to implement, scales to large data set, can roam start the position of centroids like we see before. It's easy to adapt for new examples, generalize to clusters of different shapes and sizes, such as elliptical clusters. The choosing of k-means or the key manually is a big con, this is for sure, especially for unlabeled data. Clustering data of varying sizes and density, clustering outliers, which you're going to see later on, and scaling the number of dimensions. Today we are using the iris dataset, where we're going to use only the petal length and petal width. The zebra length and zebra width we will vanish today to just plot everything nicely. And we're going to predict what kind of type the flower is. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to import the packages like NumPy, pandas, and from sklearn we're going to use the clustering k-means. Afterwards, I import the dataset. So we're going to use the iris dataset. I divided it on features and targets and previewed the input data, so only the petal length and petal width, the two features. Afterwards I'm going to show and plot input data, where you can see here on the x-axis we see the petal length and y-axis we see the petal width. All the dots are blue, and afterwards we are going to fit the model and predict the result. Therefore we used 3 clusters with the k-means clustering. We're going to fit the trained data and going to predict the result using the testing data, and afterwards we're going to plot everything nicely. And the result looks like this, that we have 3 groups, represented also by 3 different colors. The red dots are the centroids. And yeah. So, thanks for watching. For more content, hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot and see you soon.